have you in my office and to be able to share this with my community.
Thank you.
In the State Assembly, we represent quite a large area, and I'm excited to share with every community that I represent, but also have the opportunity. We're not in session now, but when we are in session, I certainly want to talk about this and talk about your visit here and what it means and what you stand for. All the principles that you mentioned, they're very important to all of us, and it's spoken through. That's represented through the legislation, the funding we bring back, the things that we're doing in our community. We just kicked off our summer meals program yesterday because when kids are not in school, we look to make sure that they have access to food. Food should be a human right, and we work to make that happen here in New York State. And that's one of our connecting. These are just one of many connecting principles that we share with you. So with that, if we were at the Capitol, I would have an official resolution. It would be in session. We would vote on it and be able to talk to all the representatives in New York State. But here in Schenectady, what I'm able to do today is a citation.
Thank you.
From the 111th, which is the district that I represent. And I'm just going to read a little bit about it because I think it's important. And this is the citation. We'll share it with the video over there. And I also want to add that this mission and these goals, they take partners. And here in Schenectady, we have good partners, as you know, to make sure going at it alone, very, very difficult. When you have people like I have here in Schenectady around me, it helps tremendously to be able to accomplish these goals, and we've seen that time and time again. And Schenectady you are visiting a very special place. It is. We are on so many occasions, we are ahead of the curve, talking about things before they ever become a crisis. We are on top of it. And it's because of the representation here. So with that, this citation from the New York State Assembly, and it says, whereas it is the custom of the New York State Assembly to recognize extraordinary individuals whose leadership, humanitarian spirit, and unwavering commitment to the betterment of humanity have made a lasting impact on the communities around the world. And whereas His Eminence, Sir Professor Dr. Madhu Krishan has devoted his life to advancing global peace, education, humanitarian service, environmental stewardship, disaster management, human rights advocacy, and sustainable development, serving communities in more than 77 countries through initiatives that promote compassion, cooperation, and human dignity. And whereas the founder and chairman of the Academy of the Universal Global Peace, faunder of
Ashram.
So I wasn't going to pronounce that right.
It's a temple
Ashram. And chairman of Chief Rector at the American University, USA, Inc., and United Nations University of Global Peace, Inc., has fostered international collaboration, academic excellence, scientific innovation, and peaceful coexistence while inspiring future generations of leaders and scholars. And that is very important that we make sure the next generation is there to support us as time goes on. And whereas throughout his distinguished career as an engineer, and that's what we share the engineering title, and it was just so exciting. It brought excitement to the conversation.
That's true.
And scientist, Sir Professor Dr. Madhu Krishan has directed the successful completion of major infrastructure and public work projects, including defense installations, bridges, tunnels that we just talked about, harbors, hospitals, schools, stadiums, and power facilities, while also providing extraordinary humanitarian leadership during times of crisis, including relief and rehabilitation efforts following the devastating 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, for which he received the Government Commendation Certificate Award of India. And whereas in recognition of his lifetime of service, he has received numerous national and international honors, including United States President's Lifetime Achievement Award, as well as prestigious awards recognizing his contributions to humanitarian service, scientific achievement, environmental stewardship, and the promotion of global peace, earning the admiration and respect of people throughout the world. And whereas His Honor, His Eminence, Sir Professor Dr. Madhu Krishan, for his extraordinary achievements and enduring commitment to advancing peace, education, humanitarian service, and the welfare of humanity, now therefore be it resolved that I, Assemblyman H.E.Er.Angelo Santabarbara, as a duly elected member of the New York State Assembly hereby recognize and congratulate His Eminence, Sir Professor Dr. Madhu Krishan, in recognition of his distinguished humanitarian service and global impact. It is an honor and privilege to be able to hand this to you today, to be able to present it to you in my hometown here in Schenectady, in the presence of tremendous leaders that are surrounding me here today. Thank you for your visit, and thank you for your work that is impacting the entire world, and you are an inspiration to our young people that are watching the example that they can strive to work towards in the generations to come.
Thank you. Trillions and trillions of thanks are just not enough and sufficient today for this great honor which you have given unto me, in recognition of all our work. I receive this on behalf of all our Board of Governing Council of 120 countries. As we are in existence in 120 countries, on all their behalf, because I know I cannot work without a team. So it's a team, who made me to come to this stage, to this prosperity, to that, stage. So for all of my team, all over the world of 120 countries, I dedicate this citation, this award and this honor from the hand of a civil engineer, a great man, a great builder, a great man, a great leader of the country of United States of America. God bless with all our team, Dr. John Mootooveren, Dr. Philip Fields, and Raj, and my daughter here, who is the administrator of all groups of universities and schools, Dr. Carol Dwarka. Thank you very much. God bless. God bless. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, one post.